To Live at 5 at 4, you're taking a live look right now at Knoxville's Holidays on Ice in Market Square. That open rink now open for the season. Looks like everybody's staying on their skates as we take that shot right now. That'll remain open through the first of the year in downtown Knoxville in Market Square. Now, if you're hungry after all that ice skating, you're moving on from Thanksgiving, we're ready for a Christmas snack. Cassie and I got something for you.
We do.
We found it on Pinterest. It's called Santa Crunch Popcorn.
It is.
Yes, right, Foxy? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so here's what we got. It's pretty simple.
Okay.
We don't have a lot of ingredients.
So we have popcorn,
On a pan.
just plain popcorn. You probably don't want to add a lot to it because you're going to be putting a lot of stuff on it, so just plain popcorn is good.
Make extra because I've been eating it.
So then what you want to do is you want to take 3 tablespoons of butter, melt it in a pan, and then you're going to take 3 cups of mini marshmallows and melt it into the butter. I will say that that takes a minute to do.
We were afraid we weren't going to get this
No.
right.
So
So give it some time.
It takes a minute to melt those marshmallows down and get them completely combined with the butter. But once you do, it forms this nice, like, gooey sauce. And then we're going to pour it over the top
Just go for it.
of the popcorn like that.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, yeah, Foxy.
Nice work, Cassie.
There you go.
Yep, this is looking good.
There you go. So basically now you've put butter and marshmallows on top of your salty popcorn. So you see where this is going, sweet and savory?
Yeah, it's almost like a salty, popcorny Rice Krispie.
All right, so there
Right?
you go. Yeah, it's like the same thing you do for Rice Krispie treats.
Now, do we mix this around? Or do we just let it chill?
Let's let it chill for a second.
All right, didn't say it. We're just
We're
yeah,
making
okay.
this up as we go.
But now it's the fun part. You get to take your favorite Christmas candy, sprinkles, chocolate, whatever, and just drop
These
it
are
on.
chocolate-covered candies. Or these are, excuse me. What are they?
Yeah, that was right.
They're just
So
candies.
chocolate, sprinkles.
Candy-coated chocolates, that's what they are.
Some bigger ones filled
Some
with
bigger
stuff.
candy-coated
I
chocolates.
feel like we should mix this, but I don't know.
Sure.
I could be wrong.
I think you can mix it.
yeah,
sure.
Our
And we'll-
producer said we can mix
And
it.
you know what? We'll put a few more little marshmallows.
Ooh, marshmallows,
on
that's
top.
a good idea. Because here's the thing, when it comes
crazy.
when it comes to Christmas snacks, like there's no rules.
I'll get that one later.
If you really wanted to, you could probably put some food coloring in with the butter and marshmallows.
Ooh,
Yeah, and then
okay.
you have like a a green and red.
And sprinkles.
Sprinkles, sparkles, there's edible glitter.
Do you want to mix this around or try to?
I don't know, it kind of looks good now.
I kind of want to see you try to do
All
that
right.
on live TV without dumping it on the floor.
Oh, maybe
you're
maybe don't
making-
do this.
You're making like a popcorn Rice Krispie treat is almost what you got going on here.
I think it would have worked better if I'd let it sit, but
So
we've
there you go.
committed.
Now we've got
All
like,
right, now it's kind of ugly, but let's taste it, Cassie.
okay.
Let's just
take
kind
down
of.
here. Oh wow, look at that. Okay.
Sorry if we can't talk for a second, but here
Okay.
we go.
Okay, that's good.
That is good. Sorry.
Get lots of thumbs up. Oh yes.
It's a nice mix of the salty, the sweet, the sticky. It will make your hands a little sticky.
Yeah, but as
Definitely fun to make with your kids.
and it's yeah exactly, and it's a good little snack while you're watching Christmas movies or just sitting by the fire.
Ooh,
warm
yeah.
up. Ooh,
Man,
hot
that would be
cocoa
good.
with this.
Yeah, maybe put a little chocolate sauce on it.
We're just going.
We're going crazy. See, it's very easy to change there.
Yes.
Maybe some crushed peppermints, because we're talking the peppermint trail. It is back here in downtown Knoxville.